Saturday morning runnings. My name is Denise Lady D. Gomez. How wanna do? I hope this Saturday is doing just fine and you're doing all that you need to do on a Saturday. Today I want to talk about the days of market. Market. Yes, market. Many people were raised in households that had a donkey, had to go to the market. They had grown provisions to sell. And when you were a child, when you're little bit, you also had to go. Many of you had to go. You never liked going because some friend from school or somebody in community would see you helping at the market. But that aside, the journey to the market is one. Hot sun. You maybe had to carry the bag that had in the carrier. The carrier now you would put your lunch in it. So you maybe had 1, 2, or 3 carriers. Then you had the thermos with the tea. And then you had the bottle that have the drinks, which was Kool-Aid, lemonade, or beverage, right? So that maybe was your role. But it wasn't the only role, because when you got to market now, you were like the gopher. Everything they want, they send you for it. And you have boil up inside, because you just can't bother with this a job here. But it started something good in you. Why? Because one, if they had to step away from the selling point, the stall area, you were the replacement. So you had to be the one to sell. You knew the prices, you knew how to weigh with the scale, and you knew how to make change. So that was developing your business skills. We never know all of that. But make somebody who come from the community and from school had to come over. You're cringe inside. Can't stand. This is somebody now who know me. Me have to go take up tomatoes and sell them and yam and banana. But you had to do it. And it just then didn't dawn on you that it would have been the opening door for many other things. So today, as we reminisce about life at market and what we had to do, you too can now share your experiences with your Saturday morning runnings with your children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren too. And say, listen, I know to them I add money. I know to them know how to do things. Because my grandmother, my grandfather used to make me have to go and me couldn't give them no excuse. Today we are filled with excuses, aren't we? They're almost dictating to us what they want. But back then, even if you thought of it, you couldn't say it. It's a good day. It's Saturday. Enjoy everything that you are doing. Don't forget, click subscribe right there. When the bell comes up, tap the bell, click all, and then you'll get all my broadcasts from the Inside the Zone platform each and every time I am on with something interesting. Hashtag Host Lady D, hashtag ITZ Radio, hashtag ITZ Community Life. Gonna like my style today? Yeah, gonna like the earring them, don't it? Blessings. Enjoy your Saturday, everybody.